Good afternoon. Thank you for all for coming out on this very chilly day. As the mayor said, thank you. My name's Erin Tobin. I'm with the Preservation League of New York State. Preservation League is New York State's only statewide private not-for-profit that champions the essential role of preservation in community revitalization, sustainable economic growth, and the protection of our historic buildings and landscapes. And I think that all of those goals are exemplified in this survey that we're honored to fund. We want to thank the New York State Council on the Arts, who provides the funding for our Preserve New York grant program with the support of Governor Andrew Cuomo and the New York State Legislature. Since we started the program in 1993, we've awarded over $1.7 million to 279 projects statewide. On behalf of our Board of Directors and League President J.D. Lorenzo, I am so happy to celebrate the success of the City of Troy in securing a grant of $5,000 to complete a National Register multiple property documentation form for historic manufacturing buildings along River Street.